Hello, welcome to Make Android Apps No Coding, the complete App Inventor 2 course. My name is Rob, and I'm going to be your instructor guiding you through this course. For the last 16 years, I've been a computer programmer. The last several focusing on mobile apps, specifically Android apps. So I'm here to share the knowledge that I've gained with you. Did you ever wonder what it took to make an Android app? Did you think that you'd have to read a book like this, take years of practice, and then still not be able to make something all that great? Good news, that's not the case. There's a very easy to use tool out there called App Inventor 2 that allows you to use your computer mouse and your knowledge of surfing the internet to be able to make complete Android apps. And I'm going to teach you that tool in this course with 17 projects that we make that I guide you through in a very easy to understand language with no technical jargon at a pace that's very easy to learn. In those 17 projects, we will make from very simple apps all the way up to 2 different games. This course is designed for anybody that wants to make Android apps without having to write a single line of code. So whether you're a beginner or you're a well-versed developer who wants to learn how to make your apps quicker and easier, then this course is for you. So I encourage you, look above this video, hit the Take Course button, and learn how to do this. You'll be glad that you did, and I'll see you in the course.